Hi, Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today I am going to discuss regarding tips and tricks and preparation related topics of AWS software solution architect associate exam. Today I am going to discuss regarding AWS solution architect associate exam regarding preparation tips and tricks, that is what is exam pattern, syllabus and topics to be covered, resources, study material collection and other resources, then FAQ, dumps, collection, then online resources. These are the different helpful tips and tricks we are going to discuss, and this will be very helpful to the students who are preparing for AWS Solution Architect Associate exam. Let's start our session. First, official website of AWS for the sake of AWS Solution Architect Associate. So AWS Solution Architect Associate official website is in aws.amazon.com/certification/certified solutions architect associate. So here you can see the credential help organizations to identify and develop talent with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Earning AWS Associate Architect validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. Let's see here the exam overview. Level is associate level, length is 130 minutes to complete the exam, cost is 150 USD. Format is 65 questions, either multiple choice or multi responses. Multiple choice means A, B, C, D. That means 4 options will be there. Among it, you have to select one. Then multi response questions means there will be 5 or 6 options. Among them, 2 or 3 will be correct answers. They will mention choose 2 or choose 3. So, related to the question, correct 2 answers should be identified or 3 answers should be identified as per their declaration. So the method is Pearson VUE testing centers or online protected exam. That means you can write from your home or your organization or your college where you will be observed through the webcam. Protected exam. Whereas Pearson VUE centers are there where coolly you can go to the Pearson centers near to you and you can write the exam. These are the 2 different methods to write the exam. And the questions are 65 questions. There will be multiple choice or multiple response questions. The cost is 150 USD and length of the exam is 130 minutes. The level is associate level. Next comes to what does it take earn this certificate. So sample guide is given as well as sample questions are given. We'll go further. Prepare your exam. Here exam review, exam guide, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate exam guide is there. Sample questions is there. Practice question sets are there. Free digital training is there. And comes to the webinars. The webinars related webinars will be there. Okay. Let's start with download the exam guide. So here introduction, then recommends to have an hands-on experience using compute, networking, storage, management, databases, AWS services, and you should have the ability to identify and define technical requirements for a solution that involves AWS technology. You should have an ability to identify with the AWS services which meet the technical requirements. You should able to understand the practices for building well architect solutions on AWS. You should have ability to understand AWS global infrastructure. You should have an ability to provide security and features in relation to the traditional services in AWS. So these are the different things which you should have a knowledge, and you should even have a knowledge to design a complex hybrid network architecture, design identify as well as the multiple account creation, design an architecture that meets compliance requirements, incorporate specialized services in design, deployment strategies, migration strategies for complex multi-tier applications. So, by the end of your preparation, all these concepts you should be able to understand. And AWS Solution Architect Associate exam is a pass or fail exam. There will be scaled with score of 100 to 1000. So minimum passing score is 720. That is 72% is the minimum passing score. Next comes to content outline. The domains are 4. It's divided into 4. The exam pattern. So first one is design resilient architecture. That is about 30%. Next is domain 2. Design high performance architectures. That is 28%. Next is domain 3. That is design service secure applications and architectures. That is 24%. Next is domain 4, that is design cost optimization architectures, that is 18%. Overall it is 100%. So what will be the resilient architecture? It is about the multi-tier architecture solution. Next is about the fault tolerance architectures, and regarding the decoupling mechanisms in AWS services. You can download this and you can go freely to all the concepts which are given here. And finally, you should check these services are completed or not before going to write the exam. That is compute, cost management, database, disaster recovery, high availability, management and governance, microservices and component, decoupling, migration and data transfer, networking, connectivity and content delivery, then security, serverless, design and principles, and storage. Next comes to in detail of this analytics, that is about the Amazon Athena, then Amazon Elasticsearch Service ES, then Amazon EMR, Amazon Glue, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon QuickSight. Then regarding billing and cost management, there will be questions from billing and cost management also. AWS budgets and cost explorer. Mainly questions will come how as a solution architect, how you are going to reduce the cost. Previous scenario is this. What is your suggestions regarding this particular scenario? So like that questions will be there. So you should be able to answer the such questions. Next, application integration, that is Amazon Simple Notification Service SNS, Amazon Simple Queue Service, that is SQS. So these are the major topics to be understood, and individually one domain or section. The different topics here are in compute Amazon EC2, then AWS Elastic Beanstalk, AWS Elastic Container Service, that is Amazon ECS, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS, Elastic Load Balancing, AWS Fargate, AWS Lambda. These all comes under the compute. Then comes regarding the database, that is Amazon Aurora, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Elastic Cache, Amazon RDS, Amazon Redshift. Next comes to the management and governance, that is AWS auto scaling, AWS backup, AWS formation, AWS Cloud Trail, AWS CloudWatch, AWS config, AWS event bridge, that is AWS CloudWatch events. Then AWS organization, AWS resource access manager, AWS system manager, AWS trusted advisor. Then comes to migration and then comes to the migration and service. Then AWS Snowball, AWS transfer family. Then networking and delivery, that is AWS API gateway, AWS CloudFront, AWS Direct Connect, AWS Global Accelerator, AWS Route 53, AWS Transit Gateway, AWS VPC, and security identity and compliance, that is AWS Certificate Manager ACM, AWS Directory Service, AWS Guard Duty, AWS Identity and Access Management IAM, AWS Inspector, that is Amazon Inspector. Then AWS Key Management Service, AWS KMS, Amazon Maze, then AWS Secret Manager, AWS Shield, AWS Single Sign-On, AWS WAF. Next comes to the storage, Amazon Elastic Block Storage, that is Amazon EBS, Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, Amazon FSX, Amazon S3, Amazon S3 Glacier, Amazon Storage Gateway. So these are the different topics you have to cover before going for an exam. So in spite of this, you will have the sample questions where you can download here. So these are the multiple choice questions and multi answers questions. See here, select two. You have to select two answers from these five answers. Correct select. You have to select correct two answers. Okay. So these are the multiple question pattern. So there are two different types of question patterns. Coolly you can download and you can check the questions. And next, practice question sets. You can download this as free. So AWS Skill Builder, here you can get the practice questions set. For every different topics you will get it. So here for AWS you have to check it for solution architect. You have to search for it and you have to get it. For practice questions you will get the certification individually. For different topics you will get the certification. These all are free: classroom trainings, partner trainings, and digital trainings. Go to digital trainings. Okay, lesson. Totally this is free. You can explore it and you can learn regarding it. And next comes to different webinars, exam related webinars will be here. You can go to the live webinars or already existing webinars you can attend. Okay, around it will be 2 hours, 2.5 hours webinars will be there. Okay, you can schedule the time and you can attend for future webinars. Here January 3rd, 2022, 4 hours webinar is there, which will be delivered in English. Next it will is on January 12th, 2 hours webinar is there, which will be delivered in Japanese. So different languages you will get the webinars. You can register for a webinar freely, and you can you can attend the webinar for additional knowledge. And digital training, here it is totally free, where the organization AWS is giving you the digital training. Okay, you can what you have to do is exam readiness training. You can enroll it for free and you can get it. And after enrolling and getting the exam, even you will get the certification regarding attending of the exam. This duration is 2 hours. Like that, there are 16 hours, 20 hours. Practice questions will be given. Okay, training will be given on different topics. So this is all related to the how to get preparation for the preparation of the exam. The next topic which I am going to show you is how to download the exam related books. Okay, so in Google LibGen, you type LibGen. So here AWS certified associate. Then search. So you will get the related certified associate exam. Okay, here one exam I will download and I will show you. See, AWS Solution Architect practice text for SSA. Just the practice test I am downloading. Practice tests. Okay, this type of material you should get it. 1 minute. Here mirrors are there. From mirrors you have to download it. First mirror I am going. Okay, here click on get. It will download. So the download process is started. Once it download, I can show you. So here this is the overall view of the AWS. So solution architect download, even downloaded. I open this. So it is totally free. You can download see, these are the sample questions, review questions, where you can collect these type of dumps, okay, and practice them. So practice test, it's containing number of questions which you have to practice. You can practice. Okay, there are so many number of questions you can practice here. Even explanation is given at the end so that you can understand. So AWS Certified Solution Architect practice tests. So by this, I am concluding my session regarding the AWS Architect Associate Exam Preparation Tips and Tricks. Exam pattern is discussed, syllabus is discussed, topic covered is discussed, resources, study material collection is discussed, FAQs, that means practice tests, how to download it, I shown it, and online resources, what AWS is providing us for the preparation, I shown it. Hope you all understood well. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.